In this video, I will show you how to find your X Empire wallet address on ByBit. For you to get your token on X Empire airdrop, you need this wallet. But right now, the function of to withdraw your token is not available, but it's better you know how to find this wallet address. So one thing you need to do right now is go to your account. Once you go to your account, you need to press assets right here. Once you press assets, you need to go to funding. Once you come to this funding, you need to search search X and press E. Once you search X and press E, you will find X Empire right there, and you will press you want to deposit. So once you press deposit, you'll be able to find option. You press this stone and press OK. So this is this wallet address right now. You'll be able to copy this wallet address and copy this tag and head over to X Empire and paste it over there. So this is basically on how you will be able to get this X Empire wallet address on ByBit. So you know this now, you know how to get this when the withdraw option is open. So yeah, if you get value in this video, so don't forget to subscribe and turn up your notification bell.